In the previous video, I have shown you the unboxing of HDFC Biz Power Credit Card. If you make one transaction with HDFC Biz Power Credit Card, you will get 1 year annual membership of Amazon Prime and 6 months of Biz Prime membership. Once you make the first transaction on your HDFC Biz Power Credit Card, you will get a mail or SMS from gifter regarding this membership. Open the link. Once you open the link, the website user interface will look like this. In the mail or SMS, you will get the promo code. Enter the promo code in the promo code section, and below that you need to enter the registered mobile number, and after that click on next. You will get the OTP. Enter the OTP and click on next. You will be shown this HDFC Biz Power welcome page. Over here you can see the Biz Prime half yearly membership plus Amazon Prime annual membership. Once you spend 2.5 lakhs in a quarter, you will get 2,500 worth complimentary voucher from Chroma or Reliance Digital or Make My Trip. Since I made the first transaction, I can see the Biz Prime membership and Amazon Prime voucher. Select the subscription which you want. I am going with the Amazon Prime. Now you will get the mobile number, your name and the email ID. After that, simply click on claim now. Here you can see the message, thank you. Your order has been successfully processed. Here is the membership details, Amazon Prime membership and the voucher number and the expiry date for the voucher. So that's it guys. In this way you can claim Amazon Prime or Biz Prime membership with your HDFC Biz Power Credit Card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.